Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're looking at nootropics, and I'm finding the best of the best so you can forget the rest. And this comes to us from Iwalu. It's Brains Matter, and it's an amazing nootropic. I'm going to walk you through some of the ingredients and tell you why this one rises above and beyond the rest, why it's the absolute best, and we're going to talk about it and kick it off right about now. So, what makes this a fantastic supplement, and why does your brain need all these fantastic ingredients? Well, let's go over it. Now, a nootropic, for those of you who don't know, is essentially a supplement for your brain. Now, you've heard about taking supplements for your kidneys and for your skin, your eyes, your health, whatever, for your immune system. We see those benefits. Well, we have to think about it when it comes to the benefits of our brain. We know that taking in caffeine stimulates our brain. We know that taking melatonin puts our brain to sleep. Well, there are certain things that make your brain more mentally acute, more able to function. Those synapses fire better, and in many cases, relax a little bit. There's a lot of good relaxation herbs in this. Brains matter, and we're going to prove that brains matter here in a moment. So first off, ashwagandha. This is organic ashwagandha extract, 600 mg. So, what is ashwagandha? And I'll tell you what. My researcher, Watson, always refers to this as a sleepy time herb. Now, it helps with cardiovascular. It helps with all sorts of things. It helps with your blood flow, and it helps anything that helps your body is going to help blood flow through the brain. Very important. But it's a sleepy time herb, he calls it. It just relaxes you. It will help with getting blood in and out of your body, moving it around, potential with cholesterol and all sorts of health benefits. Ashwagandha, you can read any healthline.com and WebMD and see that there's dozens and dozens of reasons why it may benefit you. But in this case, relaxes the brain, and that's a huge bonus. Next up, you're going to see organic Panax ginseng, also known commonly as Korean ginseng. This stuff has been used for thousands of years in Asia. Particularly this type is in Korea. Again, with inflammation, with the cholesterol, with the blood and circulatory system, and also to help relax the brain and with brain function. So this is something that, and a lot of these ingredients, I'm going to say the same thing, has been used since the dawn of man, and we've been using it for quite a while to help relax the brain, to help stimulate the brain to be mentally acute, but not over stimulated. And that's something that you'll see in some of these lower quality nootropics, is they just load them up with caffeine and you think your brain is functioning better. It's firing quickly, but it's not real clear, that jittery feeling. And all the ingredients in this, which I'm a big fan of, don't give you that jittery feeling. It's also vegetable based, and it is GMP certified, and yeah, just an amazing product. So next up on the list, we're going to go through and make sure I say this correctly. Ginkgo biloba, Ginkgo biloba. I always mess that up, right? Some people call it silver apricot. And again, this is something that goes back thousands of years. Essentially, the root and the tree that that this is associated with. They found fossils going 270 million years back. We've used it for food and in medicine since the dawn of time. It's something that research shows that it improves the mental stimulation of the brain, mental acuteness, and when they compare it with placebos and blind tests and things of the sort, it does really affect the brain and make positive change. Organic chaga mushroom extract. Okay, that's an interesting one because that has all sorts of health benefits. That's not just for the brain. Obviously, it's another one that's been shown to help with your cardiovascular system, with your immune system, with all sorts of things. That's just a good one to have. Cancer fighting, there's been a lot of research on chaga mushroom when it comes to cancer fighting, and there's a lot of people that believe that this is a big one in fighting cancer. So a great one to have in here. DMAE, that's one that, for a long, long time, they didn't know exactly what it did, but they knew that it was part of brain function. And when it comes to regenerating cells and just your brain's ability to repair itself and do the things, whatever cells do in the brain, because it's still a bit of a mystery. DMAE is a huge part of that, and they put that in a supplement, and we know that it makes a difference. Same thing with B5. That's just a wonder supplement that everybody should be taking every single day, and it's an ingredient in here. And I'm not going to go through every single ingredient because there are quite a few really neat ingredients in here. And then there's a black pepper extract, and you'll see that sometimes in your higher end supplements. And you know why? Because it helps with absorption. Black pepper helps you get those supplements into your digestive system and get them into your bloodstream. And that's really what matters, or else you're just taking a supplement and passing it out. The fact that they put black pepper extract in here means that they know what they're doing. They're absorbing these nutrients and pushing them into the body to where they actually get to your brain, because taking a supplement and absorbing a supplement are two very different things. So, GMP certified, IWALU, I believe is the correct pronunciation. Brains matter. It says definitely, this is great for those days when you feel like a zombie. Brains, brains, brains. I know, right? Your body 24/7. Veggie capsules. Go ahead and pick some up today. You will not be disappointed.